Greetings, fellow nerds. Motor City Games here with another box opening already. And again, another warning, even though there's already been one given. This is going to be a spicy set of waifu cards from the Kickstarter game Waifus Arena. So I just wanted to, again, give that warning to make sure everybody knows what they're getting into. So let's take a look. So that's why I have the Force of Will Valentine's playmat out. So it comes with a playmat. This game is supposed to be a mix of TCG and regular card game. So here is a nice stitched playmat. It doesn't even have the name of the game on it, which I think is a bit odd. But hey, that's okay. Nice quality. Doesn't smell like weird plastic. Let's take a look. Here is the back of the cards there. I believe these are going to be the stretch goals. Let's take a look. So again, here are the backs of the cards. And let's take a look. Here we go. We have Natsuki, who I don't think is either one of those ladies. Aria, who is not one of those ladies. And another Natsuki foil. There we go. And I will put a link in the description to the game's website if anyone's interested. Oh, here are some more cards. All right. Oh, it says Kickstarter on there. There we go. Ayaka. Another Natsuki. And another Aria. So I know these are like common, uncommon, rare, or something like that. It probably says it on there. And okay, here is another Aria card that I'm going to have to borrow a little Monty Python here to show you. There we go. And we'll put her down there. And here is another Natsuki. Yeah. So those are definitely not a family-friendly cards. Here is the box trading card game. There we go, Waifus Arena. 2 to 4 players, 108 cards, pre-constructed deck. And I think there may be boosters in here, but fun little looking box. This game comes from Aben Quest, a company out of Mexico. They've had some events down there. So let's take a look. Okay, no instructions, no booster pack. Trading game most Kawaii. Battle begins now. There you go. Un juego de cartas coleccionable. Coleccionable? No, hable. Lo siento, pero no recuerdo mucho español. I had Spanish in 7th, 8th, 9th, 10th, 11th, and 12th grade. And I used to use it a lot when I worked at a national park, talking to people from Spanish-speaking countries. That was a long time ago. Had to smell the cards, not to be a creeper, but they have that smell of paper bindery. Yuzu Miki. Rin, okay, that's Rin. Yep, almost lost that one. Ray. Nope, that's not Hoshi. Is it? Maybe it is with just different outfit. There you go, plus 2 stars, plus 1 card. Oh, and here is a Sexy, sexy beast. Oh, wait. So here's where they have the... There you go, and you have the art at the bottom. That is not AI. Some pretty sweet looking beasts, to be honest. It's not just the sexy babes. The names of the cards, obviously being Hispanic, reminds me of... Oh my gosh, that other game. Codem, TCG. That's the other game that I was thinking of. Comes from a Spanish-speaking country that I have backed that one on Kickstarter. So there's your swords. Blue, I think it's different color. Yep, because the attacks and the creatures, swords and shields. Oh, feather. I'm just guessing it's flight. Unless there's like a tickle each other option. I don't know. Boop, bop, boop. Stars. No garters. Wow, man, there's lots of... Okay, there you go, Fire Lady. Nature or Earth, Fire. Nope, that must be Earth, Nature, Water. A dog. And here's those little chibi peeps. Oh, okay, I guess 3 swords equals 3 swords. What you can do with the different things. Ah, here we go. Here is the QR code where you can learn to play. And here is QR code for listing all the backers and the designers. People put it together. There's even a cool music video. They had a song written. There's the thank you. And Aria, another, I guess maybe she's supposed to go with those other ones. So, Waifus Arena, check it out. I'm a little disappointed. I'll still try playing the game with a buddy or two. Thought I'd at least get a booster pack or something with it. But hey, that's that. Thanks for watching, and I hope you all have a great day.
Boom, 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 boom.